Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the lower spray arm on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we simply need to open up the dishwasher, remove the lower rack and all of the items that are on it, and then we can do the repair. So again, we'll simply open the dishwasher up, pull the lower rack with all of its contents out, set it aside. Now, once we've removed the lower dish rack, we have access to that lower spray arm. You will note under the center of it, there are 4 protruding tabs that are part of a locking mechanism. So we're simply going to grasp 2 opposing ones and just turn it about 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise. That will unlock the spray arm from the center support, and we can remove it. We'll discard the old spray arm. We'll fit that new spray arm over top of the gear on that center support. And again, we'll grab that locking nut by 2 opposing sides, rotate it about 1/8 of a turn clockwise. Verify that the spray arm turns freely. We're then ready to put the lower dish rack in place, sit it on the door, slide it into the dishwasher. We can close that up, and your repair is complete.